I mesi dell'anno. The names of the months in Italian have roots in the ancient Roman calendar and language. Months are named after Roman gods, numbers, or rulers. Some months retain their original Latin names, while others were changed or adapted over time. Cominciamo. Gennaio. Named after Janus, the Roman god of beginnings and transitions, he is often depicted with two faces looking in opposite directions. Febbraio. Originally associated with purification rituals, Februa, and later linked to the month's position in the Roman calendar. Marzo. This month was dedicated to Mars, the Roman god of war and agriculture. Aprile. Possibly related to the Etruscan goddess Apru or to the verb aprire, referring to the beginning of spring. Maggio could be related to the Greek goddess Maya or to the word Maior, suggesting the importance of the month. Giugno, dedicated to Juno, the Roman goddess of marriage and childbirth. Luglio, named after Julius Caesar. Agosto, named after the Roman Emperor Augustus. Settembre, it is derived from the Latin word septem, referring to the seventh month in the original Roman calendar. Ottobre, derived from the Latin word octo, referring to the eighth month of the original Roman calendar. Novembre, it is derived from the Latin word novem, referring to the ninth month in the original Roman calendar. Dicembre, derived from the Latin word decem, referring to the 10th month of the original Roman calendar. Like the days of the week, the months of the year aren't capitalized in Italian. Don't forget to like and subscribe and contact us for more information.